asshole.
My folks had just sold their house. This was back in 1966. The negotiated price was $18,000. The buyer's lawyer informed my folks that his client was only going to pay $16,000. I do not know how they got away with this. Dad went to a friend of his, Henry, a very good lawyer in his own right, who agreed to meet with the buyer and his representative. Instead of arguing about the price, Henry told them that all those items one would normally leave behind for the new owners like the
Good luck trying to get in, mate. You got no chance.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm okay. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Straight. Emergency video.
Fucking old cunt! Oh my god!
You can get a high percentage of the refund, but Wild is quite right. There's evidence of some serious price gouging going on. We saw a little bit of it for the semi-final. So if you take, for example, Barcelona, which is a big connector between Manchester.
It's a giant separate metadata server that sits to the side of their file system and looks at the accesses, and you basically send it a request and it's like, oh, do I have a copy of that on the SSDs? If yes, I will give you the copy from the SSDs. If not, I'll...
You didn't even fucking look, you fucking clown.
Are you fucking...
Yeah, that's fine. It sounds good. how's like in Tassie for you guys every time you've been down here? It's pretty good. We just love the scenery. We have some time off after.
Letting her believe that she was innocent, that he wouldn't hurt her, especially on me. His fingers pulling the strings attached to my lips, making me getting just the right way, feeding me just the right information at just the right time. He was the author of my life.
For several days south of Ingham. At this stage, our plan is that we will have a police checkpoint near the truck pads at Rolling Stone. It is incredibly important that the public understand that the highway remains closed to the public. The temporary bridge that will
What are you fucking doing?
We're gonna fucking brake check the truck. Gonna catch the space in front of me. Now let's get this truck that's supposed to go in. Clink. License plate is time alone. Come on, just don't play with him. Get into the left lane.
What are you doing? What the fuck? Compelling feeling
What
to
the
support
fuck?
this cause that you think is going
Bruh!
to cause of attention. And
You need to
you're
turn
gonna
around,
use outside
bro.
of history and
What the
legacy
fuck are you
narratives,
doing?
especially from the left in Hollywood, that are all in.
Bruh! How'd you get this far?
There's never a
Fucking hell.
Unbelievable.
What the fuck?
Starting fun.
Yep.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Holy shit. What the?
So sorry.
Holy shit.
So sorry. Sorry.
Alright.
Stop.
Let me.
I gotta give you my.
Bro.
We'll just decide to use mirror.
Yeah.
And drawing a foul are way higher than when you're behind the arc. I don't understand why the athletes let the nerds run the game now. Having said that, I watched the end of the next game when they closed out.
Mistakes were made, so I think it makes sense that I'm just very happy that I don't know, like yesterday I was doing essays and I was just very much in my element. Oh. Yeah. Oh, he got the wrong one. Yep. Yeah, you squeal those tires, man. I'm glad it was him that dealt with that, not me. Yeah, now he's speeding off in embarrassment.
What are we doing? Dickhead. What are you doing? Wait all fucking day. Oh, boo, 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 boo. You're right on red, asshole. Really? Where does it say that? It says stop here on red. You're the one sitting on your phone doing other things. I wasn't on my phone. Really? No, I wasn't. Yeah, I saw you looking down doing everything else. No, I was moving something in my bag. Okay, well. And I'll see you with the ticket on police license. Sure, sounds good. Let me get your badge number. Asshole. You want to get arrested? You're going to get arrested for assaulting a civilian.
Rocky Hill 911, emergency emergency.
Yeah, I was just assaulted by a police officer who punched me in the face through my window.
Is he pressing charges against me? Like for breach? Yeah. Because I yelled at him and stuff? For assault, because you hit him. He's saying that I hit him. And there's nothing where I can press for breach of peace for him yelling at me, whatever it is.
Asshole. Asshole. What are we doing? Dickhead. What are you doing? Wait all fucking day. Oh, boo, 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 boo. You're right on red, asshole. Really? Where does it say that? It says stop here on red. You're the one sitting on your phone doing other things. I wasn't on my phone. Really? No, I wasn't. Yeah, I saw you looking down doing everything else. No, I was moving something in my bag. Okay, well. And I'll see you with the ticket on police license. Sure, sounds good. Let me get your badge number. Asshole. You want to get arrested? You're going to get arrested for assaulting a civilian.
Rocky Hill 911, emergency emergency.
Yeah, I was just assaulted by a police officer who punched me in the face through my window.
Is he pressing charges against me? Like for breach? Yeah. Because I yelled at him and stuff? For assault, because you hit him. He's saying that I hit him. Yeah. And there's nothing where I can press for breach of peace for him yelling at me, whatever it is.
Asshole.
Oh, it's all kicking off with this one. Welcome to today's episode of What on God's Green Earth Do You Think You're Doing? William's on his way to the post office, listening to Classic FM. He's not actually, I'm just trying to create a narrative here. And then out of nowhere... Yes, that is correct. I don't know what the traffic rules are elsewhere in the world, but here, within the territory of the United Kingdom, we recognise these white lines painted on the road as a way to deduce who gives way and who doesn't. It's called a T-junction, and the Muppet driving the Volkswagen has forgotten that, having supposedly passed her practical driving test. She approaches William with her lovely Canada Goose jacket, very nice, and proceeds to have a meltdown in the middle of the street. I suppose she never learned that saying something louder doesn't necessarily make it true. Fortunately, William's mother purchased him a dashcam which will successfully invalidate everything this road tyrant claims in court. I suggest that you do the same thing if you own a vehicle yourself. Anyways, that's all. I just thought I'd share this with you since it really wound me up.
I'm okay. Bruh.